Hi, today we're going to see how to create a window reflection in GIMP. So I will use this image. I will use another one here to make the reflection here. I will use this one too. And now let's convert it here. So as you can see, the image is bigger here from the dotted lines here, but it's okay. We'll keep it like this. So the first thing we need to do is to blur this image here. We just brought from the folder here. So go to Filters, Blur, Gaussian Blur. So here I'm going to increase it to 15. We'll increase the blur to 15 here. So like this. So here it is. Press OK. And now change the mode here to lighten only. So here it is. So here, as you can see, there's a lot of white here. So we need to decrease the lightness here. So go to Colors, Levels. And here you can just drag this slider here to the right. So as you can see here, it reduces the lightness here, the white. So here I think it's okay here. So press OK. And now right click on the first layer here and then New from Visible. And here it is. So I'm going to hide the image, this one here. And now let's see the before and after. So here it is. So that's how you can create a window reflection in GIMP. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and till next time.